Lift the lid. Place a metal stamp on the working panel. Turn on the power switch. Connect the USB cable to the computer. Open the software and click New Project. Select Fiber. Switch to Relief Engraving mode. Click the Refresh button. Turn the knob manually until the red and the blue dots overlap. Click Confirm. You will now see the stamp displayed on the canvas. Import a design file. Delete any unnecessary design. Adjust the size and position of the design if necessary. Select Embossment. Select Concave mode. Set the number of engraving layers. If the design size exceeds 50 by 50 millimeters and is complex, it is recommended that the number of processing layers does not exceed 100. If the size exceeds 150 by 150 millimeters, it is recommended that the number of layers does not exceed 50. If the design is within 50 by 50 millimeters, the number of layers can be set between 100 to 260. Configure the processing parameters. Enable scanning angle by default or customize the engraving angle. Enable Z-axis descent distance. In relief mode, after certain layers are engraved, the laser beam will lower by 0.01 millimeters, creating a more three-dimensional effect. Double-check that all settings are correct. If no changes are needed, click Start. After clicking Start and it keeps loading, it may be related to the design size, complexity, and the number of processing layers. Adjust these settings accordingly. Additionally, this may also be related to your computer performance. We recommend checking the system requirements for running the software. Click Framing to check whether the processing area needs adjustment. If adjustment is needed, reposition the coin to ensure the engraving area is within the material. Click Send. Press the Start button to begin processing. Congratulations, you have completed a fantastic project.